Maybe she's born with it. Maybe she knows how to apply her lashes correctly. Really common mistake is applying the glue and not letting it dry enough. Just falls right off your eyelid because you didn't let the glue sit. A moment of silence for the old me. And for the girls who are still going through this and smudging their eyeshadow and their eyeliner with their wet glue. Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Sadiqa Atira. I'm back with another video, but today we are doing how to apply false lashes for beginner. On my very first YouTube video that I ever did, I did a little bit of instruction on that, how to do that, but it wasn't until the very end of that video, which is like a half-hour long, that I got into the lesson on how to apply lashes. However, like I said in that video, I wanted to make a separate video on how to apply your lashes because it's such an important step to have when you're doing your look, and I wanted to just dedicate a whole video on how to apply the lashes. This is gonna get straight to the point, and it's all about the falsies today, babe, okay? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a small YouTuber like myself, please drop a heart in the comments. I'd love to support you so that your YouTube channel can thrive and flourish and blossom into the beautiful flower that you are. I hope you do the same. At the end of the day, we're all in this thing together. Sis, I'm about to get you all the way right. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the items that you're going to be needing today. Number 1, willpower. Number 2, eyelash curler, tweezers, mascara, and lash glue. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to curl our lashes. And the reason why we don't want to do this is so that our lashes blend in with the falsie. Curling my lashes here. I'll be using, of course, infamous up close mirror. If you already have naturally curly lashes, then you don't necessarily have to do this. I have naturally curly lashes too, but I'm going to curl them even more just so it's a better blend effect. Let's get up close and personal, baby. Boom. Second step, get your lashes. These are Ardell Professional Naked Lashes. I got these from Target. We're gonna be applying these today. All right, so this is what they look like outside the pack. They are pretty brittle at the top, so just make sure that you're taking them off gently. I'm gonna get my tweezer and just lightly tug to separate them from the base of the package. Alright, once those are off, grab your lashes with your tweezer. Be mindful that these are not one size fit all. So if you feel like this is too long for your eyelash, definitely trim them. I usually don't, I just make them work. The longer the better. Also the lashes that are shorter towards the front and longer at the outside, so make sure that you have it positioned the right way. Then you want to take your glue. Your lash glue needs to be black or dark colored so that it dries black or dark colored. The next step is to apply it not at the top there, but kind of behind it. I'm gonna do behind it so that it sits better on your lash line. Perfect. So that's the amount you want to have there. About that much. Can you guys see that? There we go. All right. And then the next step is you want to let the lash glue dry for about 15 to 30 seconds. One mistake, again, as I said, is putting it on too soon, and then it just ruins your eyeshadow and your eyeliner. Blow on it, make it dry faster. Right, next, the application. Some people apply this with their fingers. I prefer the tweezers because I feel a better grip. So the goal is to get it as close to the lash line as possible. And the other trick is to apply the lash from the inside, then out. And take it and just bring it nice and slow down to your lash line. Then you want to take your finger and smush it together so that it blends. You're smushing your natural lash with the false lash together. When you're putting on the lash, instead of looking straight up, look leveled so that your eyelid comes down lower and it's easier to apply. Okay, and then after, you want to apply some mascara to darken it a bit and to blend it better. If you want to, you can apply your mascara first so that it's already nice and dark enough to match your lash. There, so now we're already working with a mascara look before we apply our false lash. Go to the bottom row as well. I'm going to re-demonstrate on the other lash. Short part of the band this way, long part to your left. Apply it not at the top, but right behind it. So not like this, but more so like this. I'll do it right in front of the camera. Perfect. That's a perfect amount you want to have. Just like that. Again, let it dry for about 15 to 20 seconds. Alright, and then we're going to apply to the upper lash. In a more level downward look, you're going to set the lash inward first. Eyeball it to where exactly you want it to be. Bring it as low to your lash line as possible. And that's how it looks. Looks pretty natural, huh? Love that. And that's the goal. Now that it's down there, I like to take the top of the tweezer and just push them down, make sure it's nice and secure and snug on top of the lid. And the same way we did before, use your finger to push and bring together each lash. This really does make all the difference when you do this with your finger.